What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. So for this video, I'm not gonna bore you guys. I'm gonna get straight to the point. Basically, what I want to do this video for is just to update you guys as far as what I've been doing lately. As you guys know, I've been, I used to make a lot of rug videos. And I was working on that stuff. That was during the pandemic. Obviously, we're still in a pandemic, but it's not as crazy as it used to be. I was getting not that many hours at my job, and then I don't know if you guys know, but I do film for clubs and DJs here in downtown LA. So during that time, I wasn't busy with that stuff, but slowly, little by little, things started picking up. I started getting more hours on my job, and then I started filming for clubs again. So with that being said, basically I've been busy. I've been really busy, which is good, but it sucks because I haven't had time to make these videos for you guys. And I know a lot of you guys have been messaging me. A lot of you came from YouTube to my Instagram, and you guys still message me to this day as far as saying like, hey, thanks to your videos, I made my first rug, or simply just asking questions. I apologize. I know you guys have been wanting me to make more videos for you guys, and I just haven't been pulling through. But yeah, I've just been busy. If I'm not at work, filming at a club. If I'm not filming at a club, I'm editing the videos. If I'm not editing the videos, I'm editing for my YouTube friends. I don't know if you guys saw my other videos, but I was in Miami filming my friend's birthday. They do YouTube, they, social media influencers, all that stuff, and I was out there filming. It was a great ass time. If you guys haven't watched that video, go check it out.
Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid.
But yeah, before I took off to Miami, I did sell my Lakers Warren Lotus rug. I sold the Vlone rug, and I sold the Dennis Rodman rug. Someone reached out to me and was like, hey, I want these 3 rugs. And I was like, look, I'm gonna take off to Miami in 2 days. And I told them, so I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna make these boxes for the rugs. I gotta finish them off, and I'm gonna send them to you. It was super last minute, super rushed. I didn't get time to record any of that. I didn't record on how I created the boxes. I didn't record none of it. So that's one video I've been wanting to make for you guys, is how to create these boxes and ship them out. I know I've said it a long time ago that I was gonna create it for you guys, and I just haven't, but I am gonna create that video for you guys. So if you guys wanna watch that video, just let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to create that video on how to create boxes, how to do the shipment stuff, how to weigh them, all that stuff, all the behind the scenes stuff. One more thing, I do have 3 more rugs left that I've had since I first did my first 8 rugs. And I'm about to show you guys, so in case you guys want to buy them, let me know, get them off my hands. They're just literally laying like in the back couch. Well, I just moved them right now, but I'm gonna show you. Give me 1 second. So I still have this rug, Boys in the Hood. If you guys ever watched the movie, if you guys haven't watched the movie, check it out. It's called Boys in the Hood. I made this rug. It's ready to go. Just let me know if you guys want to buy it. And then I have this one right here. Filthy rug, nothing crazy, already ready to go. And last but not least, I have the Quasimodo rug. This one is not completely done. I still have to do the final backing, but that's nothing that can be done in a day. So yeah, I have these 3 rugs left. Please get them off my hands. Shoot me a message on Instagram, get them off my hands, take all 3, I'll give you a deal, whatever you want. Yeah. Oh, before I finish off this video, I am going to bounce back with these videos, and I am going to do more rugs. My commissions have been open, but they've also been kind of closed because I just haven't been having time to create these rugs for you guys. But I will post a video when I fully am back to having time to create these rugs for you guys, in case you guys want to get a rug off of me. I'll post it up on YouTube. But yeah, I mean, thank you guys for watching. I know a lot of you have been waiting for me to post a video. A lot of you guys follow me on Instagram. Big shout out to you, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you guys have been following me from the beginning, I started off with like 1,000 subscribers, and now I'm close to 6,000. So hey, big shout out to you, big thank you. Yeah, I guess with that being said, let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions about anything, any ideas, whatever it is, just let me know. And as I said one more time, I am gonna come back. I am gonna make more videos. Trust me, just trust. Just give me some time. And I'm also gonna be posting vlogs. If you didn't know, I am a photographer, videographer. So if you guys want to check out my work on my Instagram, follow me at 95shoots. And with that being said, I guess I'm out of here. And yeah, peace. Before I actually take off, let me just expand this video a little bit longer just so I can get it monetized and make some money. I don't know if I told you guys, but I do get paid off of YouTube now. Obviously, I'm not making like big bucks, but I am getting some revenue from the videos that I have posted out there. Also, let me know if you guys want any info on how to get monetized on YouTube. That's pretty cool, honestly, to get paid by YouTube and you don't really do much other than just let your videos, you know, get viewed. I don't know what to talk about. Let's see, what can I talk about? One thing I have in mind, I want to know your guys' opinion on vlogs. I am a photographer, videographer, as I already stated. I do want to post more vlogs. They haven't been great, trust me. I could do way much better, but it's just sometimes I just want to get some videos out and I don't have that much time to prepare for it, as far as like think about it ahead of time. It's just kind of like a run and done. Since I do photos and videos for clubs and stuff, I had an idea on what if I start making videos on how to film at clubs or bars or for DJs and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in something like that, let me know, because obviously it's something that I do every weekend out here. So I kind of know the ins and outs. I don't know everything, but I do know how to get around and how to get your workout, how to get DJs to notice you, or how to get in contact with them. So if you guys are interested, if you guys are somewhat interested in the photography, videography side of my creative side, let me know in the comments below, because I think that'd be something super cool to share with you guys. So if you guys are ever in LA, let me know. I got you with the best bars, best clubs, best DJs. Shout out to all my DJ homies. Thank you guys for booking me. But I mean, yeah, I think that's pretty much really all it. Let's see. Yeah, I really don't have much. But I guess I'm gonna just end it with this. I'm very busy all the time and I'm always doing something. There's never not a time I'm not doing anything. So I feel like I have a somewhat interesting life, but then again, it could be boring to you guys. But just let me know if you guys want to watch these vlogs, because as I said, I do a lot, I go everywhere, and I think it's interesting. But I don't want to be wasting my time if you guys aren't going to be watching the videos. But then again, I shouldn't really care because it's my channel. So I think I just answered my question. All right, well, now I'm really gone. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching again, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace.